In today's video, I will be showing you how to delete a bookmark in Microsoft Word. If you do not know how to insert a bookmark, I will put a link of the video whereby I've explained this in totality. Now, if you have added several bookmarks and you want to delete them, simply go to Insert, okay? After you go to Insert, go to Bookmark. After you go to Bookmark, you will see all your bookmarks, okay? So if I want to delete, let's say this bookmark right here, I will just select it. After I select it, I'll proceed and click on Delete. And that bookmark will be deleted. The same goes to this second bookmark and the third one. All right? Yeah, and that is simply how you delete a bookmark in Microsoft Word. If you found this video helpful, please make sure you leave a like and please make sure subscribe. It will be highly appreciated. Thank you for watching and good luck.